I just finished washing my face. Now I'm going to do my short everyday skincare. So the cleanser that I actually used is the L'Essential Zero Cleanser. I brought it over here so I can show you guys what it looks like, but it's really cute, and the packaging is like a nice Tiffany blue. After that, I'm first gonna put some toner. This one is the L'Essential First Toner, and this one has the effect of like whitening and gets rid of your wrinkles. I'm gonna put some on the cotton pad. Let's play some chill music. Actually, I just put the toner on my face, but my face already feels so moisturized. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like kind of glowing. This toner really helps you to calm your skin and gives you a lot of moisture. It also says it has a lower pH level, so it balances out your skin tone. This one's also really moisturizing, and I can already feel that it's very gentle on my skin. Very not sticky and applies very light. Falsies! Okay, so now I am gonna do my lips, and I am excited to share with these lip products that I have with me. These are the Etude Fixing Tint. They released April 1st, and they have 5 different colors. Right now, I am using the color number 4. And then the name is Ginger Milk Tea. Like orangey but nudie. I'm gonna add the one number 5 Midnight Move. But when you apply it, it's like really soft, but it dries really matte. It's very interesting. And this is really famous right now because it doesn't get on your mask. That's why it's called a fixing tint, because it stays on your lips and doesn't get on anywhere. So I'm actually gonna test it on a little cotton pad I have right here. And then if you go like that, it doesn't come off. Like, it's really matte. Let's put on decent clothes and get out of my pajamas. But also, this is a pajama set and it's really cute. I'm gonna wear the leather pants from Levi. I purchased these Levi pants on Pepperoni. It's an app from Korea, so if you're in Korea, make sure to check it out and download it. Also, I partnered up with Pepperoni to give away $50, 50,000 Korean won if you download it and follow me. For more information, please check the description box down below. And yeah, you just gotta download the app, sign up for it, and follow my page, which is linked down below. If you're from Korea and you're based in Korea right now, you can easily sign up. Even if you're not from Korea, I'm pretty sure it's available in the App Store if you just want to like check out different kinds of videos. They have like short videos, like short video reviews and stuff, so it's like kind of like TikTok, but you can shop on it, and they have so many different kinds of clothing brands and also like accessory shops and shoe brands. I become super awkward when I speak in Korean, but it's on the app. But anyway, so yeah, I'm wearing these leather pants, and I actually posted like 2 pictures with it because I'm obsessed with it. If you are watching this right now, this is a reminder to go hydrate yourself. Drink water right now. I also wanted to quickly talk about these snacks. This is the Hershey chocolate chip mochi cookie, and it is so good. One of my coworkers gave me Haribo Mega Roulette, so I'm excited to eat these today. Thank you. Look how cute these are! My mom got some strawberries and some plants. Look. Super tiny. It is so cute. These were also sent to me from Pepperoni. Thank you so much. Excited to make a video about this, but oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. It's like in a pink box, and then this is very soft. Hi. There's a gold like card thingy. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Thank you. I'm so excited. But I also wanted to share a box from Babe. Babe is a can wine brand that also launched in Korea, and this box came with like a bunch of stationery stuff, and the packaging is just like so cute. Memo pads, sticker pack, and a pen, a how to love myself check note thingy, and more stickers, and oh, a little tape. And this one I actually got in a different box but they also have like a babe card. Hey, it's the Hwatu game, but in such a cute design. I don't play this game, but when I saw it, I was just obsessed with it. But yeah, babe has the cutest packaging, and this is how the can wine itself looks like. They have 3 flavors. They have white, rosé, and red. The last thing I also want to show is this beautiful little picnic bag. But I just wanted to show you today because I was doing like some unboxing. Also, this is like super random, but I wanted to share the stuff I got today because I am obsessed with these. I got a Hello Kitty magnet clip and a Hello Kitty little key thingy, which I don't know where I will put, but it's just cute, so I had to get it. And I got a new plate and a new stove, or whatever this is called. Hee hee. Oh, I also got this little pencil case. I am so satisfied with today's haul. Yay! And I almost forgot to mention that I got a new little home for my plant. Thank you so much for watching and hope you liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any video requests. I appreciate the comments so much. So make sure to follow my Instagram. But I'll see you in my next video and hope you guys have an amazing day today or night if you're watching this at nighttime, depending on whichever time zone you're in. Hope your day is full of happiness and excitement and hope you are killing it out here.